Theresa May has blasted current Prime Minister Boris Johnson for his bid to override the Northern Ireland Protocol and questioned Mr Johnson's patriotism to the country as she questioned his intended actions. The Northern Ireland Protocol was agreed with the EU in 2019, as part of a Brexit trade deal. But Ms May claimed it was illegal under international law and said she wouldn't support the bill. The former Prime Minister said, "Do I consider it to be illegal under international law? Will it achieve its aims and does it at least maintain the standing of UK in the eyes of the world? My answer to all three of those questions is no." I expect they are saying to themselves, why should they negotiate in detail with a government that shows itself willing to sign an agreement, claim it as a victory, and then try to tear part of it up in less than 3 years' time? She added, "As a patriot, I would not want to do anything that would diminish this country in the eyes of the world. This bill is not legal in international law, it will not achieve its aims and it will diminish the UK in the eyes of the world." Commenting on the above issue, someone said, "This is why she lost the confidence of the electorate, absolutely zero ruthlessness when negotiating our terms with the EU. If we had any standing with the EU then they would have agreed to Cameron's requests. We may not be trusted, but we are competitors now as well as customers." The British government wants to change parts of the bill in order to make it easier for trade to flow from England to Northern Ireland. The EU has condemned the law over the past month and pushed back on Mr Johnson's plans. Despite some MPs accusing him of breaking the law, Mr Johnson has been trying to fast-track the changes through the Commons. Ahead of the vote in Parliament, Brexiteer Ben Habib told Talk TV, "What are the EU going to do? They talk about a trade war, but if they were going to have a trade war, they would have to put a hard border on the island or Ireland. They would have to come forward and demonstrably do the opposite of what they have been saying is intolerable. They would have to actually do the intolerable." Conservative former Northern Ireland Secretary Julian Smith said, "Their view is that the need for stability and balance can only be achieved through a negotiated settlement and that they want to preserve the opportunities of the protocol. They also want to protect the strong position of the Northern Ireland economy, which has now been shown in multiple reports to be performing amongst the best in the country. I fear that this bill is a kind of displacement activity from the core task of doing whatever we can to negotiate a better protocol deal for Northern Ireland. I also fear that it risks creating an impression to unionism that a black-and-white solution is available when the reality is once this bill has been dragged through the Lords, and courts, and EU responses and reprisals, compromise will ultimately be needed." How about you? What do you think about the above issue? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and let's talk. If you find the video good, please don't regret one like and share them. Goodbye and see you in the next videos. Thank you.